Hello, my name is Sky from Crewe Motor Match, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Now in stock we have this Vauxhall Insignia CDTi ecoFLEX SRI nav with the 2-litre diesel engine and coming in a black colour, which is enhanced by the chrome window surrounds and grille, as well as the privacy glass adding to the looks of the car as well as the security, and the 17-inch 7-spoke alloy wheels. The rear of the car we have the boot space, perfect for shopping and luggage. And moving on to the interior, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests and nice fixed points on the outside seats. We have the 2-tone cloth upholstery with the light contrast stitching as well as the door and dash inserts brightening up the cabin of the car. For additional comfort, the front seats are ergonomic sport seats with extendable seat cushions as well as the drivers having driver electric height adjustment and electric tilt height adjustment. On the dash we have the black perforated steering wheel, which is multifunction, helping you safely and easily control the interactive driver display screen, giving you everything you need for long or short journeys right in your peripheral. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the 8-inch coloured touchscreen display, which features the likes of Bluetooth connectivity, DMB Digital Radio, satellite navigation and other car settings. This car also benefits from electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, electronic parking brake, electric headlight beam level and cruise control, all of which add to the convenience of every drive. RAC warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.